Welcome back to Tips and Tricks Tuesday with TSN. Today we're spotlighting Classroom Connect, your go-to tool for bringing powerful visual communication right into the classroom. With Classroom Connect, you can effortlessly create, schedule, and distribute content to every classroom, lab, or learning space. It's a simple, education-focused network designed to share important updates, showcase student achievements, and even create a more connected and supportive school culture. Need to broadcast an emergency alert? Classroom Connect lets you instantly reach every room with critical safety information, keeping students and staff informed in real time. Engage students with live feeds from around the world or share messages from your local school leaders. Empower your campus or organization to keep everyone connected, informed, and inspired right inside the classroom. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week for more.